Alright guys, so Paul Bates here, and today I got a little Trawler update on my hard tube top, and today we're going to talk about folded metal and what they did for us. So I actually went to the folded metal facility while I was in Las Vegas and met with Jeff and stuff like that, and all I did was take him my arc of my hard tube top, and I just had to give him that, which was 4.5 inches, and then give him the width, and then he put it into the computer. And he cut me this bracket right here. I'll show it to you. It's super, super cool. And then I used okay, and so I wanted to buy an antenna that I didn't have to go out and mess with. I could just turn it on and it works, period. I didn't want to have to go out and make adjustments, turn it, or anything like that. So I went with the Winegard Air 360, and it's an RV antenna. And I needed a little place, I needed a mount to mount it on. And then he cut the bracket for the roof to go on there. And then I added a piece of aluminum sheeting, and I had to do that for the solar panels anyway. And also, if I add a radar antenna up there, I'll need that sheet of aluminum on there. And that's all I did. It was pretty easy. So by reaching out to folded metal, this whole bracket, it costs less than 300 bucks. That's shipped, and everything. Now it is just raw aluminum. But it could have powder coated, it could have done whatever I wanted, but I just leave it raw aluminum. I'm fine with that. And that's how I mounted my Winegard AR 360B Air 360 amplifier. And I have tested it, and it works freaking incredible. At first I didn't like it. I said, oh my God, why did I buy this piece of junk? But I didn't have it turned on. So once I turned it on and hit the power button, things changed to me. I got just sitting in the slip here, I probably have, I think it's 40 channels, somewhere around there. So it's plenty. You just need the ABC weather channel and stuff like that. That's all I really need to get out of it. So anyway, it turned out great. Reach out to Folded Metal with any custom bracket needs for your boat, your RV, your trawler, your UTV, anything that you need. We just got a brand new bender in, and it's incredible just to watch that thing work. So anyway, just reach out there and we'll get with you guys, and just contact me. Just leave a message down below here in the comments, and I will get right back to you and see if we can work something out. Anyway, Paul Bates, thanks. Peace out.
Beverly and Daisy from the Loop Princess.
Thank you so much for watching. Here's to salt under your keel and safe voyages. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button.
Thank you.